If you look after community halls, libraries and childcare centres, you may well have come across these old rusted vents that were once upon a time used to control ventilation into these kinds of buildings. ecoMaster's wall vents are a quick and easy way to treat these drafty old devils once and for all. Wall vents are simple, effective and super robust. They're made using heavy gauge, powder coated galvanised steel, and the backing plate is stainless steel. So you can see that once installed, you won't ever need to think about these again. And because they're powder coated, they can be made to match virtually any decor. Hi, I'm Maurice Baynett, I'm Technical Director at ecoMaster, and today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to install our wall vents. Wall vents can be installed in one of two ways. One, directly onto the existing wall vents. If your metal vents are still well fixed into the wall, then this is the best, quickest and easiest way to install ecoMaster wall vents. In the vast majority of cases, this is the method to use. And two, if your original wall vents are rusted out or falling out of the wall, then ecoMaster wall vents should be fixed directly into the wall itself. Let's start by taking a look at the quick and easy method of fixing onto the existing metal vents. This is so simple, there are only 3 steps. 1, prepare the existing metal vents, ensure the blades are prised open and the little lever is snapped off. 2, fix the ecoMaster wall vents onto the existing metal vent using metal thread screws. We suggest using stainless steel self-drilling screws. And 3, caulk around the wall vent with a little clear sealant to ensure an airtight seal. We like to use Fuller Ultra Clear for this because it's so easy to use and it's water cleanup. So much easier than silicone. And that's all there is to it. I'm sure you'll agree that it really could not be any easier. Next, we'll take a look at fixing ecoMaster wall vents directly onto the wall itself. In cases where the existing metal vents are rusted out, not well fixed into the wall, or, as in this case, gone altogether, then that only leaves us the option of fixing the wall vents directly to the wall itself. Now, if your wall is timber lined with some kind of wall lining, then you can simply use plasterboard toggles to fix the wall vents. Take care though, in case the wall lining is asbestos cement. In this case, you can see we have a masonry wall, so we're going to use a hammer drill and red spaghetti to provide the fixing points for the wall vent. Now, there are just 4 steps to installing in this way. 1, hold the wall vent in place and mark the fixing holes through the holes of the wall vent itself. One way to do that is to use a thin masonry bit to actually mark the brickwork. Then drill out the holes. Now remember, if you've got a wall lining, then drill them big enough for the toggles to get through. In this case, we're going to use a 6mm masonry drill and red spaghetti. 3, fix the wall vent in place. And 4, we're going to caulk around the wall vent to ensure that it's an airtight seal. And there you have it. We've seen that ecoMaster wall vents are super robust and can match any decor. That in most cases, they are really easy and quick to install over the existing metal vents. And even if you have to fix them into the wall itself, it's still a reasonably straightforward process. If you're looking for ways to make these older buildings more energy efficient, then wall vents are your starting point. Go to wallvent.com.au and get the full lowdown.